Hey y'all, I'm Sarah. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a sock bun. You can use any kind of socks that you want, but I highly recommend socks that are going to be at least from the tip of your finger to mid forearm length or even elbow. So it's really simple. Just grab your pair of socks and let's get started. So I have two uneven socks that I don't wear anymore when I'm in uniform. I just bought some new socks, so I said, why not? I can go ahead and get rid of these. Yes, they are uneven, but it will still work. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to simply grab the toe area of the sock. So you're gonna wanna cut 2 inches off. We are going to flip these inside out because when we roll them, we want the less coarse side of the sock to show. Okay, so since I have a shorter sock, I'm going to put this sock on my arm first. Just like so. Now I'm going to put the other sock on top of this. If you want to do one sock because you have shorter hair or thinner hair, that's completely fine. You're just gonna take it like so and roll it down your arm to the best of your abilities. When you're rolling the sock, you want to make sure that there's no clumps or spaces. You want to make sure that it's tight all together. The way that I keep it tight is I just take the sock and I smush it in and just roll back. This is where it gets tricky because see this? This is where I'm hitting that shorter sock. So what I want to do is just fold that in. This would be way easier with 2 socks of the same length, but you make do with what you have. So after getting to this point right here, this is what my sock looks like. You want to stop right here to where you have somewhat this much amount left. You want to take this off your arm. This is what my sock looks like. So this is from the smaller sock, but it's okay. Before you complete the roll, make sure that it's all tight. There's no bumps. Okay, so now you're gonna take that longer part of the sock and you're gonna roll it like so over like that. Then you're gonna do that again. You're gonna take the long part, push it through the hole. Okay, now we see that shorter part of the sock coming through. Okay, pull, make it tight. Now we're gonna take both of the socks and pull it over to this side. Voila. Okay, so it looks like we still have a little bit more sock. So this is the last step. I'm just gonna push this through. And once you push it through, if it looks like this, all you have to do is pull on it to make it tighter. Okay, after that, I am just molding it into the shape that I want. This is it. This is the end result. Okay. Alright guys, so this is it. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comments below. And thanks so much for watching. Bye!